I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a bird that when you see it, you'll immediately want to say wow. The COPPERSMITH BARBET. The COPPERSMITH BARBET, also called crimson-breasted barbet and coppersmith, is an Asian barbet with crimson forehead and throat, known for its metronomic call that sounds similar to a coppersmith striking metal with a hammer. It is a resident bird in the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia. Most populations have a red forehead, yellow around the eye and throat, and a black eye stripe, all bordered at the rear of the crown by a black band. Immature lacks all red and has faint striking on the throat. It carves out holes inside a tree to build its nest. It is predominantly a fruit eater but has been observed eating insects, especially winged termites. Their calls are like locally named Rath Laya Kottoruwa. I have not seen the COPPERSMITH barbet. One such place you can see them is the area of Anuradhapura. When we were small, we visited a hotel in Anuradhapura that was built like an ancient castle. In Sri Lanka, you find many other beautiful hotels that are built on different themes.